Hornbill Document Manager now has some great new features to help you organise your documents. The quick filter tool here at the top left allows you to find documents quickly by simply typing in keywords that can be found either in the document's title or the document's description. You can think of collections as folders on a more traditional system. What's unique about collections in Document Manager is a document can belong to more than one collection. This gives you the opportunity to organise your documents in a way that best works for you. We're going to start with manual collections. So to organise my documents using manual collections, the first thing I'm going to do is create a new collection. The first collection I'd like to create is called Specification Docs. I create the collection. Now you will see in my drop-down menu I've now got this extra item called Unorganized Documents, and if I click there I can see all documents that exist that I have visibility of that are not in any collection, and I can simply start adding those documents to those collections as I require. Once I add them to those collections, they're removed from the Unorganized Documents view, and this allows you to organize your documents and always know which documents you haven't yet gotten to. Once the collection exists and I've added documents to it, I can simply switch to it at any time and I can get those documents. I can also delete a collection at any point in time by simply clicking delete here. It's important to note that if I do click delete, it only deletes the collection and not the actual documents. The second type of collection we support is what we call self-organizing collections. Now these are different to manual collections in as much as you don't place documents into them. Documents find their way into self-organizing collections based on tag metadata that are applied to each document. So for example, you can see here I have 4 documents that have been shared with me by the user admin. If you have a look at the properties of any one of these documents, you can see that these documents have these tags associated. So in this case, these are Hornbill training documents, and so it's tagged with Hornbill, ESP and training. Now, it's likely that I'm going to get more documents from the administrator on the system in this series, and so I want to organize them into a single collection, but I don't want to have to go back and add documents each time the additional ones are shared with me. So in this case, I can create a new self-organizing collection. So I'm going to call this Hornbill ESP training, and I now need to tell the collection how to include documents, and the way I do that is by using logic to tell the collection what documents should be included. So in this case I want to include all documents that are tagged with Hornbill and tagged with ESP and tagged with training. Now, you can use any combination of logic, so you can create quite complex rules to filter or bring documents in and under certain conditions. This is quite a simple example. We'll do that just for the purpose of demonstration. So now I create this new collection, and what you'll see, we'll switch to that collection, and you can see that the documents now appear in that dynamic folder. You'll see down here that it falls under collections, and you can see there's 2 different types of icons indicating the type of collection that you're switching to.